Ka jingwan ka klam COVID-19 haka jala kalakta hadu kata ya ka Jingpyntrei ya ka yeng dobar thawai Thymmai ka jala Mawdiangdiang ong ulam prang ka yeng dobar thawai ka jala ba mer baling do hadien bulawan banjurip ya kate ka jaka haka steps ngi balang habakran berkilar thai kubor ulam phang ul ong ba ka jingwan ka klam kaladon ka jingduna ki nong bala haka ba ki kontraktor kila simjing ya hadu kata banyo ya ki nong bala shwa ka ni ulam phang haba batai halo ka jingwan jurip ya ka Jingpyntrei ul ong ba ki syam ba ka Jingpyntrei kala ya stat hadu kata namar hadu kate singi ka kam kalaya jan marsteng hakate gijing jurep kepala don langru do menteri ketenat urban affair ba hamlet doling u lampang ulai thu ba kala don ru ka jingalang ban bud dien ya kam rengkat ka jingdon lang ki officer ketenat ba phe kan thup no chief ketri ka jela nakaliang uba met ba ulo ongru ba kin don ka thong ba kin la ban sedang no ya ka jingsong dorbar hakate ki ying dorbar ka Thymmai kan long house nam 8000 arbuar ka badai ru snam ba ka jela kan rakhe ka jingdap san pos nam ka jingyo yala ka jong ka jela.
The new assembly building at Mawdiangdiang. And for your information, we would like to inform that almost 50% of the work's been completed. That's only the civil work I'm talking about, and which we are looking at maybe by end of October, more or less or first part of November, the balance work will be completed. In addition to that also, we have there are a lot of other things also which the contractor has to complete. Today we had specifically called the finance team and the planning team. We were there, and over and above that I had number of reviews with the Chief Minister, and he has assured that as far as funding is concerned with regards to this new assembly building will not be a problem at all. So he has assured that fully, and I'm confident that there won't be any problem and it will be done.
It was learned
when I compare to the difference from the last inspection that I have done in the month of June, 23rd of June, I think. Now it's first week of September. The progress of work is really fantastic, and which I could see the seriousness of the contractor that to see that how they complete the work on time. This is very challenging. In fact, they have not come to us with excuses. In fact, they have come up with a solution. I should rather, say it that way, because the progress of work is really very good, very, very good. The construction, in fact, the contractor has really suffered a lot with regards to the laborers, and we have discussed that at length. As of now, the laborers, that as far as the version from the contractor is okay, but they need more skilled people to come in, like from outside. So we have worked it out today, and that will be taken care of, which I have spoken to the political department, and they will assist him with regards to the permission and how they will come in and what sort of quarantine because of this pandemic issue. Drawings or the original plans. It's basically the additional work that they have to take up at the initial stage when they have started the foundation work, because the place where the construction has taken place is basically a valley type kind of place where we have to go almost 25 meters down from the ground level. So for that reasons, the additional work has to be taken up, and that is basically the major changes. God forbid, everything should be fine and everything should be smooth. Our target is that the first budget session of 2022, being the golden year, celebration for our statehood, that has to take place in that new building. So we are walking in that direction.